What's going on, guys? Your excuses coach, stay unstoppable, leaving the gym. I want to talk about pain. Pain we think is bad. We want to avoid pain, emotional pain, physical pain, spiritual pain. But pain, what if you just shifted your perspective and thought about pain as a barometer to kind of sit there and say, you know what? Even though I feel pain, I'm still going to push through that, because if we feel pain and we stop, we become complacent and we become comfortable. And our brains are wired to keep us comfortable and safe. But what about the fact that you just push through your pain? You know, obviously be smart about it. Go see your doctor. I'm not a fucking doctor, but I know that I'm in a lot of pain, but I still go to the gym because I know it helps me mentally and physically. It keeps my body going. It keeps my body strong. But so many times we want to avoid pain. So my advice to you is that your mental pain, go address it, go deal with it. Stop running from it. Stop trying to make yourself comfortable, because you're just running to your short-term gratifications and you're going to wind up with regrets later on in life. So stay unstoppable. Go to noexcusescoach.com. Check out the workshop. I love you guys. Stay unstoppable.